Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we are going to be focusing on fractions. I have three equations in front of you that I'm going to be solving with you guys. Hope you guys follow along. So 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6. And in addition, we also put the same denominators together. So if our denominator is 9 and our second denominator is 9, we don't have to add 9 plus 9. We could just write the 9. It's okay, this could be our answer, but let's more simplify it. So let's also do it to 2's, because let's do it to 3's, okay? Because it's the 3 times tables. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. This is our final answer. Two upon 3. Now let's move on to our second equation, which is going to be 7 upon a minus 3 upon a. There's a minus sign, not the plus sign. So let's do it. 7 minus 3 equals 4. And a minus a is going to be 8. I also told you that we could do the denominators, but let's do more. Simplify. Let's do it in the 2 times tables, because they're both even and 2 is the easiest one, evenest. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Now let's move on to our third one. Our third one we're going to be doing a little bit trickier, okay? Don't worry, it's going to be easy when you figure it out. So let's do it. So there's 5 upon a, and beside 5 upon a, there is a number 3, plus 5 upon a, the same one, plus there's only one more beside it. So let's do this. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. Let me just write 29 under it so we could keep on track. And our denominator is 8. Let's write 8. Our plus sign. And the same thing over here. 8 times 1, which is 8. And then 8 plus 5, which is going to be 13 over 8. Now let's write our answer. Our denominator is going to be a, and our top number, 42. This is a big number, and you might think you cannot simplify it, but guess what? Take a closer look. We can. 42 upon 8. Okay? It's even, remember? The 2 is the evenest one to closest. So let's write it over here. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 1 equals 2. See? Now 2 times 4 equals 8. Now we could just divide it underneath it. Let's divide 4 and 21 to see our real answer. So 21 divided by 4. Let's make it a little bit more clear. (21). 4 times 5 is 20. Then you take away 1. Our final answer will be 5 here. 1, our 1 will go all the way up to the top. And our 4 will go all the way down where our remaining So our final answer is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 beside was 5. Bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my fraction tutorial. Hope this helped you to learn a little bit more about fractions. See you in my next video. Bye bye.